Yeah, as preppers, we prepare for different scenarios. We prepare for natural disasters, possible unrest, food shortages, fuel shortages, and a load of other things that we prepare for. But one of the things that, before I go on, I just want to add that most of these things might not even happen in your lifetime. Um, there's no guarantee that there's going to be a food shortage. There's no guarantee that there's going to be a natural disaster. It's all possibilities that we prepare for. But there's one thing that I can almost 99.99%, barring the rapture, that we will have to deal with, and that is death. So in this video I want to talk about being prepared for death and how to deal with it and what we can do to actually when we face it, because let's face it, it is inevitable at the end of the day.